when we go to the Webinarjam main website, and if we go to plans and pricing, we can see that all the plans, all the pricing which they are offering to us are all annual plans. Okay, so this is billed annually, so there is no option on this page to actually convert this into monthly plan. So how to convert annual plan into monthly plan? Okay, so for this, first of all, I would suggest you to go to my affiliate link, that is dnaclub.in/webinarjam. So if you go to this my affiliate link, basically you will get 30 days free trial, 30 days trial of Webinarjam for only $1. If you directly take it from the Webinarjam website, so you will get only 14 days. Through my affiliate link, you will get 30 days. Okay, so that's benefit for you. So even when if I click here on $1 trial, still there is no option to convert this into monthly plan. Okay, so if I click here, and then if I fill up all these details, and if I go to the payment, so actually it is going to charge me $1 right now, and after 1 month, after 30 days, it will charge for the entire year. Okay, so how to convert this into monthly? That is, I'm logging into my main Webinarjam portal. Okay, so this is my own user ID, I mean through which I have logged in. So after taking $1 trial, okay, first take this $1 trial, and then once you are into Webinarjam, then click on profile and then click on billing. Now from here, what you can do, you can see all the options available here, and you can see just I have paid only $99. So what I can do, I can actually convert, okay, this annual plan into monthly plan from here. So you can go to billing after taking trial, and before it actually charges you within that 1 month trial, within that 1 month you can actually convert this into 99. You will see $99 per month option here, like this one. Okay, so this is how you can convert annual plan into monthly plan. So just try this out. If you have any question related to Webinarjam, use the comment box below, like the video, subscribe the channel also, and also make sure that you grab 30 days trial of Webinarjam for just $1 using my affiliate link. It is not going to charge you anything extra. You actually are getting 16 days extra using my affiliate link, and this is going to support me to give you more interesting or more valuable video related to these tools on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.